Imagine buying a used Toyota RAV4 because everyone told you, it's a Toyota, it'll last forever. Then, just a few months later, you're staring at a repair bill that costs thousands of dollars. The truth is, not every used RAV4 is equally reliable. Some years can be excellent buys, while others have specific problems you absolutely need to know about before handing over your money. Today, we're breaking down the best RAV4 years to buy used, the common problems to watch out for, and exactly what you should inspect before buying one. The Toyota RAV4 has become one of America's most popular compact SUVs for a reason. It offers a practical combination of fuel economy, cargo space, comfort, resale value, and a reputation for long-term reliability. And because Toyota has sold so many RAV4s, the used market is packed with options. But here's the important part. Buying a used RAV4 isn't simply about choosing the newest one you can afford. Maintenance history, mileage, engine, transmission, previous accidents, and even the specific model year can make a major difference. A well-maintained RAV4 with 100,000 miles can potentially be a smarter purchase than a neglected example with only 60,000 miles. So, which RAV4 years deserve your attention? The 2013 through 2015 RAV4 can be attractive for buyers looking for an older and relatively straightforward SUV. These models use a proven 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and offer plenty of practicality. However, at this age, condition is everything. Next, consider the 2017 and 2018 RAV4. These models offer a good balance between age, price, practicality, and Toyota's reputation for durability. They can be particularly interesting if you want a used RAV4 without paying the premium that newer models often command. Then there's the 2019 and newer generation. This generation brought a more modern design, updated technology, improved driving dynamics, and a broader range of hybrid options. If your budget allows, a well-maintained 2020 through 2022 RAV4 can be a particularly compelling used car target. And don't forget about the RAV4 Hybrid. For drivers who cover a lot of miles, the Hybrid can be one of the most attractive versions because of its fuel efficiency. But regardless of which year you choose, there's one rule that matters more than almost everything else. Darius history beats mileage. Now let's talk about the problems you need to know before buying. Because while the RAV4 has a strong reliability reputation, no vehicle is completely problem-free. First, inspect older RAV4s carefully for oil leaks and engine-related issues. Look around the engine bay and underneath the vehicle. Oil residue doesn't automatically mean the RAV4 is a bad purchase, but it can indicate seals, gaskets, or other components that may eventually need attention. And if the engine is consuming significant amounts of oil, you definitely want that investigated before buying. Next, pay attention to the transmission. Don't take the RAV4 for a 5-minute drive around the dealership and call it a day. Drive it from a complete stop. Accelerate gradually, accelerate harder, and pay attention to how the transmission behaves. Unexpected slipping, harsh engagement, hesitation, strange noises, or unusual vibrations deserve investigation. What you want is smooth and predictable operation. Suspension and steering components are another area to check, especially on higher mileage RAV4s. During your test drive, listen carefully for clunks, rattles, knocking sounds, or excessive bouncing. Pay attention to whether the vehicle pulls to one side. A worn suspension doesn't necessarily mean you should walk away, but you should understand what needs to be repaired and how much it could cost. No, there's another issue. Many used car buyers overlook water leaks. Check the carpeting, especially around the front and rear footwells and the cargo area. Look for dampness, unusual smells, water stains, or evidence that moisture has entered the cabin. Water intrusion can eventually create electrical and interior problems that are far more expensive than the original leak. And then there are the electronics. Modern RAV4s contain considerably more technology than older models. Before buying, test everything. Check the touchscreen. Test the backup camera. Try Apple CarPlay or Android Auto if equipped. Test the climate controls, windows, locks, lights, heated seats, and driver assistance systems. One small electronic issue might be nothing more than an inconvenience. Several electronic issues can become expensive. Now let's talk about the RAV4 Hybrid. Should you buy a used one? For many buyers, absolutely. The biggest attraction is fuel economy. If you drive a lot, the fuel savings can become significant over several years. Toyota's hybrid system also has a strong reputation for durability. But don't assume that hybrid automatically means problem-free. When buying a used RAV4 Hybrid, ask for maintenance records, check the vehicle's history, pay attention to warning lights, and ideally, have the hybrid system inspected by someone who understands Toyota hybrid vehicles. The hybrid battery is another important consideration. Toyota hybrid batteries can last a long time, but on an older, high-mileage vehicle, you still want to understand the battery's condition and potential replacement cost before making a purchase. Now, what about the RAV4 years you should avoid? The answer isn't as simple as naming one specific year and telling everyone to stay away. That's because two identical RAV4s from the same model year can have completely different histories. One might have been meticulously maintained, the other might have been neglected, crashed, poorly repaired, or driven extremely hard. So instead of asking, "What's the worst RAV4 year?" ask yourself, which specific RAV4 should I avoid? Be extremely cautious with vehicles that have no maintenance records, multiple accident reports, salvage or rebuilt titles, signs of flood damage, major oil leaks, transmission problems, numerous dashboard warning lights, excessive rust, or questionable modifications. And there's one major red flag you should never ignore. If the seller refuses to let you have an independent pre-purchase inspection, walk away. There are plenty of RAV4s on the market. You don't need to gamble on one that the seller won't let you inspect. Before buying any used RAV4, follow a simple process. Start by checking the vehicle history. Look for accidents, title problems, ownership history, and reported mileage. Then, if possible, inspect the vehicle with the engine completely cold. A cold start can sometimes reveal problems that become less obvious after the engine warms up. Next, take a proper test drive. Don't just drive around the block, drive city streets, drive at highway speeds, test acceleration, test braking. Listen carefully for unusual noises and pay attention to transmission behavior. Then inspect underneath the vehicle. Look for oil leaks, coolant leaks, rust, damaged components, and signs of previous repairs. Finally, get a professional pre-purchase inspection. This might cost you some money before the purchase, but it could save you thousands of dollars afterward. So, what's the final verdict? The Toyota RAV4 can be an excellent used SUV, but don't buy one simply because the badge says Toyota. If you're shopping on a budget, look closely at well-maintained older models, particularly examples with strong service records. If you want something newer, the 2019 and newer generation offers a more modern package, while the RAV4 Hybrid can be especially appealing for drivers who prioritize fuel economy. But remember this condition, maintenance history, and a professional inspection matter more than simply choosing a good model year. The best used RAV4 isn't necessarily the one with the lowest mileage, it's the one with the best history. And that could be the difference between buying a dependable SUV that serves you for years and buying someone else's expensive problem.